Welcome to day 4. Today we're going to do a brief visualization meditation. Remember, what we're doing is we're just trying to kind of train our brain and body to allow us to sit still and breathe and be for just a few minutes. We're like priming the pump, okay? We're training ourselves and teaching ourselves really that we can meditate. All right, here we go. A creative visualization is, or a visualization meditation is one in which you picture something or imagine something. And so, an example is, and we may do this, I think we'll do this at some point in these 30 days, is you might picture like a purple or a blue or a red ball. And then every time you inhale, you imagine that ball growing. And as you exhale, you imagine that ball shrinking. And then you just do your best to stay with that visualization. That's one we might do in the future. But today, we're going to do a fun one. This is kind of a fan favorite in my classes. So let's give it a try. Before we get started, I need you to think of a place. And this place would be some place that if you could go there right now, you know you would feel good. You would feel safe, comfortable. So it could be a favorite vacation spot. It could be your grandma's house when you were a kid. It could be, I've had people use their bed. They imagine themselves home in their bed, or a favorite comfy chair, or sitting outside on their front porch. So think of a place. Can be anything, your favorite fishing spot, anything. And now what we're going to do is we're going to close our eyes. I'm going to ask you to picture that place, and then I will walk you through the rest. Okay? All right. So sit comfortably, go ahead and all the things, all by now you know the drill. Sit comfy, your back supported, and close your eyes, and let's get going. Okay, let's start by taking a nice deep breath, just kind of shifting the way you've been breathing. And we're going to try and bring our awareness fully into the present moment here. So take 2 or 3 or 4 kind of deeper breaths than you've been taking. And slow down that exhale and make sure you're exhaling completely. Right? So do that on your own as I start guiding us through this meditation. Deep, slow breathing for as long as it feels good. If that doesn't work for you or that doesn't feel good, then allow your breath to regulate, okay? These are all just suggestions, not hard and fast rules. Okay. I'd like you to picture the place you selected. And now do your best to visualize this place. I'm not great with visualization, so if you aren't either, just play along and see how you do. So imagine you're in this place, you're at this place, and I want you to look around here. And I want you to make a mental note of everything you can see. Look all around you, look off into the distance. All right? And just mentally telling yourself what you can see as you look around. And then tell yourself how you feel. How does it feel in this place? Is it warm or cool? Is it sunny? Are you inside or outside? Is there a breeze? And just making mental notes about what you see, how you feel. Any smells? Any smells you notice? You hear anything? What sounds can you hear around you? Now, I'd like you to find a place to sit down. You can imagine a chair or a bench. You can sit on the ground. You can sit on the couch if you're indoors, sit in a chair. Just find a place to sit down. Sit down and get comfy. All right, take a nice breath now. I'd like you to continue looking around this place. What's right around you? What do you see as you look all the way across the room or all the way around the room or off into the distance if you're outside? To keep listing to yourself what you see. Little things, big things. And then add in there how you feel. What's the temperature? How are you feeling? Can you feel the sun on your face? Do you feel warm? Do you feel cool? Do you feel cozy, safe, relaxed? How do you feel? Any familiar smells or any smells you can pick up in this place? Again, you're just listing these things to yourself, making mental notes. What do you hear? What sounds are around you? I'm going to be quiet for a minute or so, and I'd like you to breathe comfortably, stay in this place. If you get distracted, you get pulled out of this place, then try taking a nice deep breath and see if you can kind of allow that breath to bring you back into this place that you're imagining or picturing. Continue to look around and notice and observe and make mental notes about what you see and hear and smell and feel. I'll be back in a minute or so. Good job. Stay here for as long as you'd like. This has been a visualization meditation, also known as creative visualization. Before you come fully out of the meditation, maybe take a deep breath or two and make a mental note about how you feel, how that went. And I will see you tomorrow.